Hello everyone, and welcome back to Online Scam Advisor. If you're tired of being tricked by shady websites and sketchy products, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the truth behind a website called Hydrosip.store that claims to sell the popular Labubu collectible. But is it legit or a scam waiting to happen? Let's find out. For those who don't know, Labubu is a super popular designer toy from the Monster series, collectible, rare, and often limited edition. Because of the hype, tons of fake websites have started popping up, claiming to sell authentic Labubu figures at unbelievable prices. One of those websites is Hydrosip.store. So we dug deep into Hydrosip.store. And here's what raised red flags. No About Us page or brand background. No verified company registration or seller information. All Labubu figures listed at heavy discounts, which is very suspicious given their real market value. No genuine customer reviews. Only fake-looking 5-star ratings. Newly created domain. We found it was registered just a few months ago, and there's barely any presence on Google also. The images used on the site? Reverse search shows they're copied from legit sites or social media collectors. Classic sign of a scam storefront. We scanned through forums, Reddit threads, and scam reporting sites. And guess what? Multiple buyers complained they never received any product, or received a cheap knockoff figure that wasn't even close to a real Labubu. Even worse, there's no customer service or way to get a refund. Emails go unanswered, and there's no phone number listed. So, is Hydrosip.store offering you a real Labubu or just scamming collectors? Based on our research, it's most likely a scam. The site has all the classic scam signs: no transparency, fake reviews, and zero delivery guarantee. If you're a collector or Labubu fan, stick to trusted toy resellers, official retailers, or verified marketplaces. Don't let scammers steal your money and ruin your collection dreams. If this review helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, and share this video so no one else falls for the Hydrosip.store trap. Got scammed by a fake Labubu site? Drop your experience in the comments. Let's warn the community together. Thank you.